importing some data. First of all, we're going to bring in our Excel data sets. We're going to press transform data to take us to Power Query. First, we'll start with sports. So we've got all of these nulls. We're going to remove everything. And now we want our states to fill these nulls up. So we're going to transform and say fill down, and it doesn't use the top value, it pulls it down to the next value. And down to tables, next we move on to landmarks. We can do the same, remove the empties. And this one we don't need to fill. So we've got some figures here that we need to transform. So we do that. Add a column and say column for example. And then type in there. 2 million. Just get around the zeros. There we go. Yes, it hasn't got it quite yet, so let's do 3.6. And it looks good. And then we're going to check it out all the column. Everything else looks good. Moving to red. Again, remove our empties. And that's fine. Change this to a fixed decimal number. Now I see why. Let's get rid of source. And that works well. Same. Get rid of the empties. First of all, we're going to create a state table. We have that table there. So let's duplicate our red one. Call it state. Because it's got all of the states in there. I'm going to get rid of these 2 columns. And then we're going to split this column. So split by a delimiter. Our delimiter is going to be the open bracket. And then we're going to remove the closed bracket. So this is going to be the state. And this will be the state abbreviation. There we go. Then we'll close and apply. And see what we can do with those. It's just loading into our relationships and see what it's created in. So we've got our state table and it's already created a relationship with the landmark. Let's create a relationship with the animal table. Very good. And our bread table as well. Have them all around. There we go. And we'll come back. So first of all, let's do our bread. So the average cost of bread is $2.90 currently. Our top 5 landmarks. We'll do the annual visitor count, and we're going to do in here. Top 5 based on the visitor count. Go. So our top landmarks based on the approximate data is Parliament House, Rottnest Island, It's Sundays, National Gallery and Mount Wellington. So I would be surprised if that data is correct, so I need to fact check that, as the Opera House I would have guessed would have been one of the tops. Next up, we've got sports. So we will put our sports in here for now. Okay. And the average spectator count. No surprise, Aussie rules being the top one there. Followed by cricket and then soccer. by the estimated Apparently the biggest, most prominent animal in Australia is the possum. Everybody uses 0 millions here, so I'm going to get rid of those. I'm going to change the display widgets to just make those a bit smaller. Click save.